Hi, happy Pie Day. Today's March 14th, and I'm making a lemon blueberry cheese pie. And so I've also added fresh whipped cream to this, so this is a great pie. We're going to begin with a graham cracker crust, pre-made, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, as well as a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And so we're going to take our softened cream cheese, our 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, and the sweetened condensed milk, and combine that all in a bowl. And so you see I'm mixing all of the ingredients here. And we're just going to mix them until everything is nice and creamy. You want to wash and dry your blueberries. We don't want to have any additional water in the pie. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of blueberries to the custard mixture and just fold those blueberries into the pie.